There are many reasons why you might need a blood test. Here are some of the most common. Routine checkup. Blood tests are often included as part of a regular checkup, even if you are feeling well. This is because they can help your doctor assess your overall health and screen for potential problems. Diagnosing illness. Blood tests can be used to diagnose a wide range of illnesses, including infections, anemia, diabetes, and cancer. Monitoring chronic conditions. If you have a chronic condition, such as diabetes or high blood pressure, blood tests can be used to monitor your condition and make sure that your treatment is working effectively. Prescribing medication. Blood tests can be used to determine the correct dosage of medication for you. Screening for genetic conditions. Blood tests can be used to screen for certain genetic conditions, such as sickle cell anemia and cystic fibrosis. If your doctor has ordered a blood test, they will be able to tell you the specific reason for the test. Here are some of the most common blood tests. Complete blood count, CBC. This test measures the number of different types of blood cells in your blood. Basic metabolic panel, BMP. This test measures the levels of various substances in your blood, including electrolytes, glucose, and kidney function markers. Blood enzyme test. This test measures the levels of enzymes in your blood, which can be used to assess the health of your organs. Lipoprotein panel. This test measures the levels of cholesterol and other fats in your blood. Blood clotting tests. These tests measure the ability of your blood to clot, which is important for preventing bleeding. If you are having a blood test, it is important to follow your doctor's instructions carefully. This may include fasting before the test, avoiding certain medications, or bringing a list of your current medications with you. A blood test can reveal a wide range of information about your health, including your overall health. Blood tests can be used to assess your overall health and screen for potential problems. For example, a complete blood count, CBC, can reveal if you have anemia, an infection, or a blood cancer. Your organ function. Blood tests can be used to assess the function of your organs, such as your liver, kidneys, and thyroid. For example, a liver function test can reveal if you have liver damage. Your nutrient levels. Blood tests can be used to measure your levels of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. For example, a vitamin D test can reveal if you have a vitamin D deficiency. Your blood clotting ability. Blood tests can be used to measure your blood's ability to clot. This is important for preventing bleeding. Your risk of certain diseases. Blood tests can be used to screen for certain diseases, such as HIV, diabetes, and cancer. The specific information that a blood test reveals will depend on the type of blood test that is performed. There are many different types of blood tests, and each one measures a different set of substances in your blood. If you are having a blood test, it is important to talk to your doctor about the specific information that the test will reveal. This will help you to understand the results of the test and to make informed decisions about your health. Here are some of the most common blood tests and what they can reveal. Complete blood count, CBC. This test measures the number of different types of blood cells in your blood. It can be used to diagnose anemia, infections, and blood cancers. Basic metabolic panel, BMP. This test measures the levels of various substances in your blood, including electrolytes, glucose, and kidney function markers. It can be used to diagnose diabetes, kidney disease, and other health problems. Blood enzyme test. This test measures the levels of enzymes in your blood, which can be used to assess the health of your organs. For example, an elevated liver enzyme level can indicate liver damage. Lipoprotein panel. This test measures the levels of cholesterol and other fats in your blood. It can be used to diagnose and manage high cholesterol, which is a risk factor for heart disease. Blood clotting tests. These tests measure the ability of your blood to clot, which is important for preventing bleeding. They can be used to diagnose and manage bleeding disorders.